So, what are we doing here, guys? By the way, got my cousin with me, Flavio. Say what's up.
What's up?
Where are you from?
I'm from Peru.
Which part?
Lima.
He's from Lima, Peru. I've been there. It's awesome. If you get a chance to go, I highly recommend it. Alright, basically what are we doing here? What's in my hand? I got a GoPro head strap, so now if I need to film some how-tos or like unboxing or anything, I need to like have my hands available. I don't have to hold the camera. I got this now, so it'll be much smoother, better to record. And the reason I got this is I finally got 2 items in the mail today that I've been waiting for about 4 months, and it's been hindering my driving, not because I'm scared to get close to people, but because I don't have any protection in the front and the rear, so I don't want to mess up the radiator or anything like that, or the fuel in the back, and I've come close to doing that a couple times. But you're about to see what that is. I'm just going to unbox this head strap and get it mounted up to the GoPro, and then we shall go into the garage, right? Right. A strap on my cabeza. How do I look? Fashionable?
Yes.
Ready for action?
Ready for action.
Alright guys, what's up? I got the head mount on, and we are in the garage. And look at that! The boxes. Oh yeah, I just completed this this piece, so I finally covered this gaping hole that was there, which was hideous. I hated it. I made the template out of cardboard, out of the exact measurements I wanted and how I wanted it to look. And then I put that onto aluminum, and there it is. So, hope you guys like it. I like it. I think it looks way better than that stupid hole. But anyway, what is in here? I hope it wasn't shipped here with this box destroyed like that. I mean, you guys can probably see what they are now. They're my bash bars for the front and the rear. Yay! I'm so excited to put these on. Let's take this guy out of here. Oh, I love you. Alright, anyway. Boxo numero 2. My Spanish is excellent, as you can see. Really? Really? Oh yeah. Big booty Judy time. Big booty Judy time. Big. Okay, I'll stop. Alright, let's get the rest of these off and then put this guy on the back. Hopefully it will line up with the holes, because I did hit that back end twice. Knives crossed. Hopefully it will work. Alright, but yeah, let me know how you guys like this personal up close video. And if I should do more, if I should do less, if I suck at it, let me know in the comments below. Where are the mother bolts? I can't find them. I only got like 6, 7 or... Alright, so I got 4 and I found 2 more. Alright, let's get to this. Alright guys, so I found more bolts. I ended up going in that box, if you can see it over there, under those 275 tires. And I found the plethora of the bolts. So, let's get this guy on. So basically, if you're going to want to install rear and front bash bars, or just a rear bash bar, or just a front bash bar, it's pretty self-explanatory and straight up. You just, if you have your interior, remove the carpet, and then underneath the carpet you'll see these 2 slots on each side, which go down to the frame rail, which have the 2 14s that you'll need to remove. So you'll pop those out on each side, 1, 2, 3, 4, bam bam, and then you'll remove that old piece of junk. And then you'll simply get the new bash bar from whichever company. I happen to choose Street Faction, and put it in like this. And then basically just line it up with the holes and throw the bolts in there and you're good. Alright, so I need to open those holes up a little bit on both sides. Damn it. Never can be just easy. Wow, what a crappy angle. Hopefully that was enough. With this stupid hole and drilling it out, I finally got it to line up. Alright, so those are started. Now let's start these over on this side. Alright, so this guy's too short also. Alright, so we'll use Mr. Longboard Johnson right here. I got the back done. One down, one to go. Alright guys, so I finally gave up last night because I was just getting so tired and I decided to just call it a night. Oh my god, I'm trying to lower this music. An issue I ran into last night, I'm not sure if this is the case on all S13s or S chassis when you're going to put the bash bar with the corner bracing onto the front of the car, but what happened with me is, I'll show you. I'm not sure if it's because there's some front end damage on my car and maybe it changed the geometry of things, but I ran into the issue right here where this piece hits right here. So what I'm gonna have to do is either bend it up or bend it in reverse to get out of the way, or just grind down the metal, which that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna grind down the metal because it's faster and the bends will look crappy because I don't have the right tool to do it here. So I have to do that on both sides and then we'll be good. The back is on. Let's take a look at that real quick. Yes. Yeah, so anyway, let's change viewing perspectives real quick. I'm gonna put this guy on and put this one down. Alright, let's do this. It would help if I brought the grinder over there with me. Always remember to wear your safety glasses. In my case, safety shades, safety cataracts, safety racks. Alright, let's do this. Alright, we'll do the other side and then throw it on and see. So my pops just got home in his beautifully sexy Mercedes E550, but I was just asking him to move so I can test drive this guy in a minute. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Test fit this. Hopefully I shaved enough off. Alright, so let's plug this guy back in and shave the rest of that little corner piece and we will be good to go. Alright, second time's a charm. Sweet! Alright, now to put the little nuts and bolts in there. Tighten these dudes down. Alright, so let's see what she looks like. Hell yeah. Let's see if the bumper fits over it. Oh wow, it actually does fix bumper sag. That's legit. What do you think? I love it. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to show you how to install the bash bars onto the 240 S13 without too many modifications. Maybe a little bit of bumper cutting and some grinding of the chassis, but that's about it. I'm gonna go drive this thing, even though there's nothing to test drive. I just installed aesthetics things, so it's aesthetically pleasing. No, so it protects the car. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'll see you at the track on Saturday. So yeah, give me a comment, a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, all that good stuff. Come say hey, come say what's up. And that's it. Coming at you from Sanford. Smoke Sideways, signing out. Peace.